Serpan.
Helen Jabornik.
How old am I? I'm 101.
104. Who said I was 80?
So many people think happiness has to be a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, you need money. But don't make money the main thing. It's your attitude. Up all the time. Never mind this down stuff.
When I was young, I was a very happy person, and I still am. I just feel good inside.
Be yourself and smile. It's so easy to be nice. When people are nice, you're nice. If they're not nice, walk away from them.
And just be a good person, physically and mentally.
All those things are important. You have to have beautiful memories that when you're old like me, you can remember.
And if that makes you happy, it's a good life.